welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and today is the day. This is my very last, like 7 out of 7 Valentine's Day makeup look. Because this year I decided to do this like self-challenge and create like 7 different Valentine's Days makeup looks. And this is the last one of this challenge. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's do foundation first. As almost always, I'm using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. Next I'm going to apply a little bit of this concealer, which is from MAC. This is the 24-hour concealer. Now I'm setting this with my beloved banana powder. This is the Brighten Up powder from Essence. Next I'm going to put a little bit of blush on my cheeks. This is the Tanya Burr blush. And I'm just using my finger to put this on my cheeks. Now I'm using a bit of this City Bronzer from Maybelline. Next I'm using the Glowy highlighter, which is from Catrice. This is a face and body highlighter and I like this a lot, especially because the pan size is like this huge. Once I'm done with the face like makeup, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to create such a colorful look with this. I'm starting with this shade right here. Next I'm using this shade right here, which is called Candy. Underneath my eyes I'm using this goldish shade right here. Next we are doing mascara, and I'm using the Killer Lash mascara. Next I'm going to jump into the lip crayon from Zoeva, and this one is so pretty because it's like nudish but with a rosy toned undertone, like, you know, and it just looks so sweet. Also this one doesn't dry out like matte, which is perfect for this time of the year. The last step is, as always, my fixing mist, and I'm using the Maybelline one. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.